Okay, wiring this up.
Here.
Come on.
Knock, knock,
I need something to. I need to
knock,
carry
knock,
this to
knock,
bloody Fredbear's place.
knock, knock.
Oh, hi. Hi.
Hey!
Hi.
What was that?
Nothing.
Freddy?
There's nothing in there.
I was knocking on the...
Oh yeah, Bonnie.
Okay.
I saw Bonnie running, by the way.
I'll deal with Bonnie in a minute. So, how's it going, Freddy?
Good!
You're up to something. What are you up to? You're a terrible liar. I hope you know that.
Well, I don't know what you mean. Totally.
Freddy, I I known you your whole life. What
There's
are you
nothing.
doing? What are you
Just don't,
planning?
just don't look in here.
You wanna explain that or... Freddy? Freddy? Freddy! No.
Ow!
You're... No. Uh, you just hit me. Freddy? Freddy T. Fazbear.
You're not allowed in here.
I'm dread to this. I hope you know that.
How does that work?
Remember? The animatronic, the body's male, the soul's female,
Oh,
so it makes me it.
what's up?
Yeah. Uh huh.
I, I can carry this now.
No, Freddy, why? Why do you have TNT? How do you even get
Because
TNT?
I made it myself.
How do you know how to craft make? Why?
My hatred for a certain someone.
Is it because that's technically ain't Goldie?
Listen, I don't
Not
like
because it ain't Goldie.
Fredbear, as I said.
We talked about this. You are not being replaced.
But I
I
am. That's my stage. That's my place. Mine.
Freddie, we talked about this a week ago. We knew Fazbear was gonna do this. Freddy, you're not gonna. Uh, can we talk?
Sure.
Why? Just why? You're
Because
acting like.
if you don't remember where the guy came from, and where you came from, where we came from, we're actually. This
Yeah,
isn't even our place, theoretically.
yeah, yeah. I
This isn't
know.
our pizzeria.
I know. And that ain't Goldie either, so. Technically.
With Fredbear, he's been made here, but his memories are from somewhere else that we don't remember from.
I know. I know Goldie's gone. We don't know where Goldie went. They have the same marking as Goldie behind the head, but I can't tell if it's actually Goldie or not, okay?
That Fredbear thing, I hate it.
What about Pandori? What did he do?
I don't like them.
I got it. I got it. Just keep going, buddy.
I don't like them. Simple.
Are you really gonna go to war like the toy animatronics did with y'all? Cause
I am not that inferior. I don't.
Freddy,
I needed my level. Got my TNT ready.
No, we're not blowing this place up, Freddy. Stop it.
Ow!
No. Wait, how much TNT?
This is all my
Are you
items.
serious?
I'm not gonna tell you how much I have.
You gotta land. You know, I'm not gonna question that. Freddy, we are not. You are not going to war because of this, okay?
But I will.
No, Freddy, stop it. No. Stop
Don't
it.
hit me.
You're being irrational, Freddy.
When has anyone not been irrational? The old animatronics. Oh. Actually, I shouldn't say that around here, because people listening.
Like who?
You wouldn't understand.
Freddy, I'm way older than you. I've been around much longer than you. I think I know more
I've
things.
seen things.
Like what?
I can't say specifically.
We're still what? We're not. Why do you want to
Listen,
find him so bad?
I just...
Why do you?
I want my pizzeria back. And that's simple. And I'm gonna keep doing
But this
this.
ain't your pizzeria. This is his pizzeria. Like how you guys were withered and you have to step down for the toy animatronics. Just think of it like that, but you're not broken. I always been a sideline. I always been on the sidelines.
Bonnie's gone.
Well, yeah.
I don't even know where the guy...
Ralph,
I saw him sneak away. He left the pizzeria itself.
well,
He's got bigger
and
balls than I do.
well, yeah. The wolf is still out there. We got rid of
Yep.
his cronies, though.
Do you think... No.
What?
I can't... The wolf
Look.
has something. Someone I cannot say, because they are not letting me say who it is.
So the wolf. But wait, I thought we got rid of him now.
From what I know, that something brought him back. That is
Right? That's
a
fun.
psychopath, from what I've heard.
Is that Afton?
No. It's an animatronic like us, but it craves something more.
So they brought. Do you know how problematic the wolf was? Did they brought back the others? The other ones?
You mean the other Freddy?
No, the other twisted. I don't like saying their names, but you know.
Technically, the Twisters
His
are
crony.
what I was trying
The
to
wolf
talk
and his
about.
crony. Or is it just the wolf?
That pizzeria still has our old bodies. Therefore, our old bodies are probably still in that. Crippled and broken in a crippled state.
Wait a minute. If the wait, hold up.
And if
So
the wolf
our
is
souls are
alive,
right?
then they are alive.
So the wolf is alive. His cronies are still dead.
For the wolf to die, for the rest of them to die, you would need...
Let's use my powers, don't I?
To kill the other ones, you would have to kill the wolf. But I don't know where the place is.
I don't. Gotta think about it too. I don't think the wolf.
From
Should
what
we
I
just say
heard,
his name?
That pizzeria
Wolf?
is overgrown and in the middle of a forest somewhere. I don't know.
If I wait, if I recall, didn't they send those scrapyard animatronics over there to deal with the other
I just
animatronics?
watched Birth.
Already, you're not. You're no. Well, I guess this is more a secret spotting. Let's go down inside my box, okay? Let's go down inside my box. It's more private. We're not blowing this place. You're not blowing this place up. You're not committing arson, Freddy. I'm. What? Try talking down, Fred. Not Freddy. Hi, Fred Bear. No. He said there should be something right here. So that's what I'm thinking. That ain't, but it ain't Cassidy or Eden. Neither of those two.
If Cassidy comes back,
I know.
we're all gonna be in hell. We're all going to die.
You you did
What are you
do
guys
that.
talking about? Shut up,
Don't
Yellow
worry about
Bear.
it.
I commit fire.
You're not gonna burn him alive, Freddy. You're
That's a
the
new
one that.
one.
You think she'll be more mad at you because you're the one that threw the potion at her?
What's this? This wasn't here
I
before.
don't know. I'm not really sure. Oh, yeah, I saw that earlier. Eh, if it is, if she is back, we know who she's after first.
Probably Fredbear.
Maybe you're the one that threw the potion at her, though.
She doesn't even remember me. She was
So you
young.
think she mistakes Fredbear for you?
She was young.
What? Okay, Freddy, let's sleep on this, okay? Go to your area, and we'll worry about the wolf, the other people tomorrow, okay?
I'll
Tomorrow
sleep in the
night.
fence.
You're not sleeping in the vent. You're gonna try to do something. I know you. Go to your area, Freddy.
Nah. Wait. We just... Wait, why isn't it? I'll be fine here.
I'm trusting you,